Hey guys, it's Stacy here. Welcome to my channel, Life's a Project, where I like to share my everyday life projects with you. So today I want to plant these poppy seeds in my two 18-inch self-watering containers by Crescent Garden. And guys, I purchased these last year, planted them up in videos, and if you'd like to go back and check out those videos, I do talk about these containers, their features, how they work in those videos. And you can also check out the video description below. I placed Amazon links down there if you'd like to check these containers out on Amazon. So I've already filled up both containers with some potting mix or container mix, and I just used the Miracle-Gro brand. It's easy to find in my area, and it already has the fertilizer or plant food mixed in. So I want to plant in here these California poppies. These are the Spring Melody Blend. I just love the color. They are a tender perennial, grown as an annual. They like full sun. They bloom spring to frost, grow 6 to 12 inches tall. Now on the back here it says, this blend is a stunning saucer shaped bright rose, red, orange, white, and yellow double and semi-double flowers, and I want to plant them in mass or pretty densely in here, but still I want them to be happy, so not too densely in here, but I want them to have a really beautiful show. Now I live in zone 6 here in Kentucky. They are a perennial in zone 8 through 10, so not a perennial in my area, but they will produce seed, and that seed I can collect and just plant them out the following year. So if you are subscribed to my channel and you've watched past videos of mine, you'll know that I love to plant flowers and grow them from seed in my containers. Now I think it's just a super inexpensive and easy way to get a lot of color in your flower pots. This pack of seeds was $2.49, and for that value you get so many seeds. I'll be able to plant up both of these containers and have some seeds left over for another flower pot or two. So a really great value compared to buying your plants already in bloom from the garden center. Now of course when they're already flowering they look so gorgeous and you kind of get that instant beauty in your container. But there's just something about growing your plants from seed and just watching them grow into flowers. It's just so fun and exciting. Now you can plant these a couple of different ways. The super easy way is just to sprinkle them on top of the soil as evenly as you can, kind of spacing them out so they're not all kind of in one clump, and then you can just press them in lightly, and that's what I'm going to do because they're so small and they do like a little light to germinate, so they should, germinate just fine this way. Now you can also just sprinkle them on top of the soil the same way, and then just kind of lightly cover them or kind of scratch them into the surface. So either way, you just don't want to plant these deep. And then I'm just going to use my hand and press the seeds into the soil, making sure that the seed and the soil has good contact with one another. And then I will take my watering can and water everything in. Now you want to do this gently. You don't want to use a harsh spray on a water hose. Just be careful not to disrupt the seeds. So one container is finished, now one to go. So I'm just going to kind of eyeball the same amount of seeds for this container. So you can see I'll have some left over, and then I'm just going to kind of sprinkle them down, press them in, water them in, and this project will be done. Here they are all planted up, and this project is just so easy, and simple and quick, but I really wanted to share it with you so later on when I show you updates you'll know where this project kind of started out, where it all began. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, place those down in the comment section below. I hope you will subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on this project update and my future videos. So guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.